Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is incredibly important for the future of your money. Tell me, do you ever get to the end of the month and feel like the cash sitting in your bank account just isn't going as far as it used to? Like rising prices are secretly eating away at your savings? That, my friends, is called inflation. And one of the easiest, safest ways to fight back and help your savings grow is with a high-yield savings account. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 high-yield savings accounts for 2025 that aren't just offering great interest rates, they're actively helping you beat inflation. So, let's not waste any more time and dive right in. First things first, what exactly is a high-yield savings account? In simple terms, it's a supercharged version of your traditional savings account. The key difference is that it pays a much higher interest rate, known as the annual percentage yield, or APY. Let's put this in perspective. Imagine your traditional big bank savings account has an APY of 0.01%, but a high-yield savings account could offer an APY between 4.50% and 5.50%. That means on $10,000 saved, a traditional account might give you $1 per year, while a high-yield savings account could give you $450 to $550. It's a total game changer. And here's the real win. If the current inflation rate in 2025 is around 3%, then earning an APY of 4.5% or more means you are officially beating inflation. Your money is growing in real value, not just on paper. That's the magic right there. All right, let's get into our top 5 list. Kicking things off at number 5 is Ally Bank. Ally has been a trusted name in online banking for years. Their high-yield savings account is currently offering an APY of 4.25%. The biggest perks? No monthly maintenance fees and their famous 24/7 customer service. If you're looking for a reliable and user-friendly platform, Ally is a fantastic choice. Coming in at number 4 is Marcus by Goldman Sachs. This online offering from the financial giant is hugely popular. They are currently offering an APY of 4.40%. Marcus is known for its no-fee policy and a great refer-a-friend program that can earn you even more interest. Their mobile app is also very sleek and easy to use. Taking our number 3 spot is Capital One 360 Performance Savings. Capital One is a major brand, and their 360 Performance Savings account is a powerhouse. The current APY is a strong 4.50%. If you like the idea of potentially having access to physical Capital One cafe locations along with a top-tier online savings rate, this is a perfect hybrid option for you. At number 2, we have Discover Online Savings. Discover isn't just for credit cards. Their online savings account is incredibly competitive. They're offering an APY of 4.60%. They have a stellar reputation for customer service, and with no fees, it's an ideal choice for budget-conscious savers who want a top-notch experience. And finally, our number 1 pick for 2025, SoFi Checking and Savings. SoFi takes the top spot on our list. Their high-yield savings account offers an APY of up to 4.75%, but the high rate is only part of the story. SoFi's biggest advantage is its integration. When you open both their checking and savings accounts and set up a direct deposit, you qualify for that maximum rate. Plus, you get access to automated savings tools and investment options all in one app. It's a complete financial ecosystem. And that's what makes SoFi our top choice for 2025. With all these great options, how do you choose? Focus on these 4 things. The APY. This is your primary driver, but don't let it be the only factor. Fee structure. Look for accounts with no monthly maintenance fees and no minimum balance fees. Ease of use. How good is the mobile app? How easy is it to transfer funds? And additional perks. Things like ATM access, linked checking accounts, or other rewards. Choose based on what fits your personal financial lifestyle. Whichever bank you choose, make sure it is FDIC-insured or NCUA-insured for credit unions. This means your deposits are government guaranteed up to $250,000, keeping your money safe. Remember, a high-yield savings account isn't a replacement for long-term investing. It's a safe, liquid place for your emergency fund and short-term savings goals. Make your money work for you. Don't let it sleep. So, there you have it, everyone. The top 5 high-yield savings accounts for 2025. SoFi, Discover, Capital One,
Marcus, and Ally Bank. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on more crucial financial updates. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Which account are you most excited to try? Or if you already use one, what has your experience been? Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, take care and be smart with your money.